Hello everyone. My name is Nafis Fuad Shad. For my part, I'll be going over our project proposal for Azoro and I will explain how our website meets the five main description points. These points are the problem domain, the specific problem or opportunity, the proposed solution, the stakeholder analysis, and finally the challenges, risks, and constraints. First, the problem domain. Azoro is a clothing store that operates only through its physical retail location. That means right now, if you want to buy from them, you have to physically visit the store. While their in store sales have been strong, this setup restricts their customer base to the local community. In today's retail environment, there's a big limitation. If you think about it, many successful clothing brands have expanded far beyond their original location by having an online presence. People now expect to be able to browse, compare, and purchase products online at any time without having to travel. Without a website, Azoro's reach is capped at whoever can walk into their store. This makes it harder for them to grow their brand awareness, and they're missing out on a large segment of customers who prefer online shopping for convenience or necessity. Secondly, the specific problem or opportunity. This shift toward online shopping didn't happen overnight, but the COVID 19 pandemic definitely speed things up. When physical stores were forced to close or limit their hours, businesses that had an online presence were able to keep operating. They could sell products, process orders, and reach customers without relying on in person visits. In fact, many companies actually saw their online sales increase during the period. Customers got used to shopping from home. It's safer, faster, and often offers more variety. The change in habit has stayed with us even after stores reopen. For Azoro, this presents a big opportunity. By not having an e commerce website, they're missing out on connecting with this new type of customer. Someone who may not live nearby or who simply prefers the convenience of shopping online. Launching an online store isn't just about making more sales now, it's about making the business more adaptable to the future. Third, the proposed solution. Our proposal is to design and develop an online shopping website specifically for Azoro. The goal is to make it easy and appealing for customers to shop, while also giving the store owners the tools they need to manage it effectively. So here's what the website will include: a home page with product highlights. This is where new arrivals, special sales, or seasonal items can be showcased. Administrative tools that allow the owners or staff to add, edit, or delete listing. A functional shopping cart, a secure shipping and billing pages, a return page with clear instruction, a mobile friendly design so the site works well on phones and tablets. By implementing these features, Azoro can go from being a purely local store to that store to one that's accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Fourth, the stakeholder analysis. This project will affect several groups, and it's important to consider their perspectives. Customers will gain the ability to browse and buy products from home 24/7. This could attract entirely new customers who may never have visited the physical store. Azoro's owners will have the opportunity to increase revenue, expand brand visibility, and have better control over their inventory through online management tools. Employees will have new roles in processing online orders, handling packages and shipping, and responding to customer inquiries about returns or products. Suppliers may benefit because increased demand from online sales could lead to larger and more frequent orders. Payment services like PayPal or Stripe will be part of the system to process secure online transactions. And finally, our web development team, that's us, will be responsible for designing, building, testing, and maintaining the website to make sure it runs smoothly and is user friendly. By identifying these stakeholders early, we can design the website and workflow in a way that benefits all parties. Lastly, the challenges, risk, and constraints. We know that no project we know that no project is without obstacles. Some challenges include making sure the design works well on all devices, from large desktop monitors to small mobile screens. Another challenge is to keeping the online inventory in sync with the physical store so customers don't order items that are already sold out. And of course, integrating a payment system that's both secure and easy to use will be critical. There are also risks to consider. Any online system is potentially vulnerable to cyber attacks or data breaches, so security measures are essential. Poor website performance, like slow loading times or crashes, could frustrate customers and cause them to leave. And if the site isn't intuitive, people may abandon their shopping before completing a purchase. Our constraints are just as important to acknowledge. We have a limited time frame for one semester to complete the project. We are also a small development team with varying levels of experience, so learning curves are expected. On top of that, we require to use and learn new technologies, which adds to our workload but also helps us gain valuable skills. In conclusion, this proposal outlines exactly how our website project address the problem domain, identifies a clear opportunity, provides a detailed solution, considers all stakeholders, and accounts for the challenges and risk ahead. If done successfully, this project will transform Azora from a local only store into a competitive online retailer with the ability to reach customers anywhere. Thank you for listening.
Hello everyone, this is Group 6 with a clothing brand e-commerce store which is named Azuro. So I'm Dhruv. We decided to name this Azuro, and our thought process behind all of this was that we thought about when COVID had hit, everybody was in lockdown, and businesses were shut down. They were losing money because there was nobody coming in, and they had no revenue basically. So we made an online presence for a clothing store, um, so that businesses could basically get more broader of an audience and more shoppers online. Because nowadays, let's be honest, people just shop online. It's more convenient. You order something, the package arrives at your front um, porch, and as simple as that. So here's our website. Um, we have shop, returns, my profile, login. So when we go to shop, we have hats, shirts, sweatshirts, pants, and shorts. We can definitely add more categories there, more products, whatever is needed. Then we have returns. Customers love returning stuff, so we have returns. Just put your order number in, start a return, and then it'll process. We have my profile, which asks you to log in because nobody's logged in currently. When you log in, it's going to show your order history and the information about a customer. We have login, so this is where you log in basically. And then, so let me show you. So if you click on login from my profile, there you go. So since for this presentation, my part is to do the admin management system. So let's log into the admin account for Azuro. There we go, it was successful. If you notice, we only had 4 options before: shop, returns, my profile, and login. Now we have management. So this is a feature that only pops up when you log into the um, manage like an admin's account. Now we have add a new product page. So basically this page is only made for admins, managers, and just staff that wants to add the product whenever they get a new product in, or even update a previous product, price, description, pictures, whatever is needed. So let me just walk through the boxes that we have. So product ID, just a unique ID for the product. Product description, just a regular description that describes the product so that the people online that are shopping know that this is what it looks like in store. We have product category, hats. I've already went through this. Hats, shirts, jackets, trousers, shorts. We can, like I said, we can add more. Um, we have product unit of measure. It defaults as piece for now. You can take that off, put that back in, put anything you want to. We have product price. So let's say a store wants to go with their corporate price sheet. You can put that price there. We have product weight. So this is important because whenever you put a weight in, it calculates the shipping price because shipping goes by weight. So let's say you have 6 OZ worth of clothes. It's gonna calculate the shipping through UPS, USPS, FedEx, you name it, and then whenever you check out, it's gonna tell you the price: $5, $10, $12, and then we have at the end product image path. So that's where the customer can see the images, and this is the portal that we put it in. So for the product ID, I'm just gonna make a just an example new product. So I'm gonna do AZ 304 product description. Let's do red shorts, and that's obviously gonna go into shorts. I'm just gonna leave that as a default piece. Product price, let's do a flat $20. Product weight, let's just do 4 OZs. Assets, so assets, I have this right now. This is a regular Azaro logo. You'll see on the shopping page when it pops up, but this was all for the add new product part. And then we have submit, search by ID, and then reset. So whenever you click submit, there we go, new product added. And then when we go to shop, it's not gonna be in hats, it's not gonna be in shirts, no sweatshirts, not pants. We added shorts. So there we go, red shorts. We did $20, so it's $20 there. Let's say, just in case, if somebody in the staff wants to update a product, so all you gotta do is just put the product ID in. This is the one I created before recording this. So here, let me show you. AZ0003, search by ID, product found. There we go. Click OK. There we go. All the information pops up here. Let's say the product price. I just want to edit that. Maybe we have a promo going on, so let's just do 30 for now, 30 flat. Submit, product updated. Let's go into shop. Let's go into shirts, linen shirt, $30. There we go. Went from 44 to 30. Simple as that. And then the reset button, let me show you what that does. I'll just put something in there. Just put 3 there. Search by ID. So reset, all you do is click reset. Resets everything. Clears everything out for the manager, staff, whoever it is. And that's really it. This is really a smooth website we built. We found some bugs, but we fixed it, figured it out. Everything works quick and fast. There we go. And that was it for my part. Thanks for listening. We have Winston here with the login page. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vincent, and I'll be showing you our Azaro clothing website. What you are seeing right now is our homepage, which serves as a navigation to our other pages, which are the shop page, where customers can browse our products and place an order. Next will be the My Profile page, which right now you see nothing because you have to log in order to view your profile. Next will be the Returns page. Here, customers can order their order ID to submit an order order product return request if there's any default products. Last will be the login page, where customers can log in or sign up a new account. And I'll be primarily demonstrating you our login process as well as how to place an order in our website. So first we go into the login page, and I'll be creating a new account on the sign up tab over here. And it's asking all the basic information you need to create an account. We start with the email address. I'll just use my name as an example. Vincent@psu.com. And the password has a minimum of 6 characters. Vincent will be the first name. Last name will be PSU. Asking for age and phone number. Phone number has to be a 10-digit phone number. So here for the input, just 10-digit number. No special characters or nothing. Street address, Penn Street. City will be Penn State. And state will be Pennsylvania, of course. And zip code. Now we can create account. And you see it says account created. Please log in. Now we just enter the information we just did to sign up and log in. And once you log in successfully, it will redirect you back to our homepage. So right now we are trying to place an order on the website. We navigate to the shop page. And here you can see our products and the category. We have hats, shirts, sweatshirts, pants, and shorts. And over here is our cart. It's right next to the product. So it'll be very easy for customers to see right away when they add an item. Let's say I just want this cap, add to cart, and you can see right here, you add it right away with the price and quantity, total price and total items. So let's say if I add another one, it updates right away. Quantity 2, total price went from 15 to 30, total items to 2. And you can either remove one by one, or you can remove all at the same time with the remove all button. Let's say I just want a cap and a basic white t-shirt. See the total price and total item. Now, the items in your cart will always be safe in your cart because customers, sometimes they change their mind. They want to save the items first and then they want to come back to shop later. So let's say, even if you close your browser and then, and then you come back again. Go back to shop page and see your items will still be safe and sound in your cart, waiting for you to place an order. And now let's proceed to shipping. Here we have the order summary of your products. If you change your mind, you can always go back to the cart. And here is the shipping information. Now you can see I didn't type anything. All this information is automatically filled once you log in because all your information is saved in a database. And the website knows that all your information is there in your profile once you create an account. Of course, you can change the information if you need to as well. But here we'll just be selecting the shipping carrier, be UPS, shipping method, standard. Now we can go to the billing page by clicking submit shipping details. And here will be, this will be the billing details. You can see it still has the orders, the product summary, and now here it has a shipping summary. Email, name, and address. And now we just have to enter our billing details or the payment details. Be the same. Card number, it has to be 16 digits. As you can see right here, must be 16 digits. Expiration date has to be month and year. So you see, let's say if I do 13/01, it's going to throw an error because we only have 12 months in a year. CVV 123. Now my billing address is the same as my shipping address, so I can just click this, same as shipping address. It will automatically fill up as well. And now we just place an order. Order placed successfully. And you take it back to your shop page and clear your cart. Now, one thing I want to show you very quick is placing an order as a guest, meaning you didn't log in. Just very quick. Now you can see right here, if you're only placing an order as a guest, no information will be auto-filled, which means you have to manually type in. And that's it.
Hello, this is Gabriel Conley of the Group 6 from IST 256 class, and I'm presenting you the Azoro clothing website. Now, if you've seen the other videos, you learned how to create your own account on this website and how to shop and put in the shopping cart. Now, for my portion of the project, I'm going to show you two things: my profile and returns. My profile is where information about your account is at, and returns is when you want to return a product for whatever reason. Let's start with my profile. Now, first things first, we have your email address and your password, which I put in clothing1234. Now, if you ever feel like wanting to change your password, you just erase your old one and put whatever new password you want. I'm gonna put in clothing love 123, and then I press save. Now, this means the user profile has been saved, and even if you put in different information, you reload it, and there you go. Your new password is saved. Now, the next piece of information with my profile is basic info, which is your name, your age, your phone number, and where you live. And don't worry about the billing address. You can click here, and if it really is the same as your shipping address, you can click here and it'll be the exact same. Now, for whatever reason you decide to move, change your password, gotten older, or decide to use a different name, you just edit that information down, like first name Dave, last name Blake, different age, different number, like different phone number, and then different address. Now, I'm just gonna put in random stuff to get my point across. So here we go. Like Pennsylvania, pick a state, zip code, and then billing address. I just put it the same as shipping address. You click save. Okay, got it, and it'll tell you if something is wrong. So gotta. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to keep that the same for now, and I'll save that. User profile is saved, and if you type a different information, you just reload it, and bam, information is still the same. The new information you just put in is now saved onto my profile. Now next is the order history. Every time you go to shop on this website and buy an order off of here, your order history will be saved with what product you bought, how many times you bought them, and the order ID that's associated with that product, and it's saved on here. And you're probably wondering, what do I do in the scenario where I either change when I get it's not what I expected, or something else happened? Well, that's easy. You just copy the order ID of what you want to return. In this case, it would be the white brim straw sun hat, and go to the returns page. Here you have the return request, enter order number, find order, and here's the return card. Now, to return, you put in the order number ID of the product you want to return. Then you find that order and it pulls up. Now, you order one. Return quantity is how many you want to return, in this case 1, and then you could put any reason why you want to return it, like maybe it's the wrong size, and then you add it, click the add button to add it to the return cart. If you decided you wanted to change the quantity of how many you want to return, or the different reason, you remove it and then you type in a different number. So yeah, you click to submit return request, and your return request has been submitted. At that point, you would wait as a customer for it to be accepted and then be able to return it. And that is how my profile and returns work on this website. And I hope you like it.